Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be a short tutorial on how to access Bullx Bot on Telegram. To do this, the process is really simple, quick, and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. And if you guys haven't started using this bot, I'll provide a link in description of this as well. You guys can go and access this from there in order to avoid scam bots. Now, after hitting the start button, you guys will see that it will put you on a waiting list and will show you a message just like this one. But to get the early access, what we can do is simply head over to search bar and here search Bullx Neo access code. Once you do that, now this one is for Bullx Neo, but for Bullx you can go and copy this link from right here. Simply copy this link, go back to Bullx Code and simply go here and paste this link. Now it will grant you the access and from here you can go and click on login button, click on open and it will redirect us to our login page. Just wait a few seconds right here and it will take us to the main interface of Bullx. Now as you guys can see, I have successfully accessed Bullx. That's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.